offload this gold that we brought to Sierra Leone? That's the only real question. In an effective viral way. And then it's on to the next move, Mr. Beast. And then if I get my jab back, I gotta get Deco, man. I don't got a jab. That's chilling.
Not for anything that I could get, just to honor you and bring you praise.
Me and Mickey traveled luxuriously, business class lounges, snacking the whole way like pigs, bro. All the way up until we landed in Sierra Leone, and we didn't know what to expect. It was nighttime, we were going this, but when we were on the boat crossing the river, and the city is like lit up throughout the hills, and it looks like no city I've ever seen.
Here's my all and I don't want it back, like a fragrance broken on the floor.
Right up in the spot.
May my worship be pure.
We made it. We made it to our rooms. A nice place, so can't complain.
We finally get there, we get to our rooms, which are pretty decent, you know, in this crazy hotel. And we wake up the next day, and then the adventures begin. You had a dope driver, we had a caravan, and then we started heading towards where this diamond was found, the 700 carat peace diamond.
This is
Yeah,
all.
we got a little army over there. You know, someone told me it's a peacekeeping mission. Yeah, we're like the UN over here. So we got a caravan, a lion
This is all.
all Charlie teams in there getting ready. There's nothing like it. Nothing I've ever done like it in my life. Sierra Leone, 10 Land Cruisers, Martin Rappaport, Africa. You know what I'm saying? Part number 3. We got Martin over there. Like,
Oh Jesus, this is all.
back to, you know where we're gonna stop? So we got a caravan of 10